Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can use your metahuman to the skeleton from the Unreal Engine 5 using the IQ system too. A lot of people ask me to make this video because they saw a lot of tutorials about this one in English, also in Spanish, and all they have the same problem. You can use your mesh from the skeleton, the Unreal Engine 5, even the animation, but the IQ they don't working. So I want to show you how they can be working 100% perfectly fine. So before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you to everybody that support me, and if you want to support me, you can go to my Patreon page. Depending on your subscription, you're gonna have exclusive videos, you can have access to my project files from the tutorial, and also you can have my personal projects that I demo, anything like that. And also you can have my full games, and I can help you create a game from scratch or wherever you go. So if you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. If you need help in your project or you need help in the tutorials or something like that, you can write me in the Discord. And if you want to send me your game and project so I can show you for everybody in the channel for absolutely for free, you only have to fill this form. You have to put your name, your email, and what you want to I do with your project in here in the comments. So all these three, they're gonna be in the description of the video. So thank you, and let's start the tutorial. So open Unreal. So I wanna show you what is the IQ that everybody talking about, because it's a really good features. They have the Unreal Engine 5, they're already working also from the template, so you don't need to make nothing. It's working fine, so you can play. And when you're using your player, the IQ is working like that. Depends on the surface, they're gonna interact with that. So if you want to this working with your metahuman, you need to change a few things. But I saw in the other tutorial they don't fix it at all, because they don't know how to do it or just is too lazy to make it. So let's do it. So first you have to go to the here in the top one, they wanna be like Quicksell Bride bridge. In here you need to sign it in your account. If you don't have it already, you have to, because it's a really good 1D1 also for free. You're gonna have a lot of stuff too, and you can use your metahuman right here. So a lot of people ask me, they not only use the present ones because they're supposed to be more easy to work on it. So I want to show you they working for the present ones that they have already Unreal, and also from my own metahuman I created. So there's one guy there's two guys I created already. So I want to show you how they working. So you need to, they want to take a while, so I already download it. If I don't take too much time, so you only need to press export. Sorry for the cough. So they're gonna take a while, so let's wait. So they're gonna say the missing plugin, so enable, 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 and also you have to restart the engine. So say everything and let's restart. So they're gonna take some time. Almost there, right there. So that's it. You can close already the preset. So now we have the metahuman right here. So you want to open it, we're gonna be this guy running. So when I open it, they're supposed to see something like that. So that is my metahuman. So to make this working, you have to do a few things. You have to put all this stuff in your character blueprint. So the easy way that I make this stuff, or you can play with different characters, I only do go to running, go to class default, go to class settings, no class default, class settings. From here, from parent class, you need to change this for the parent that you want to be. In this case, they're gonna be the third person character. So like Rick, just wait a little bit, it is already the parent. So now I want to change this guy for this guy to this guy. So I want to use the body. So I want to put this body when I find this guy. So that body I want to be in this mesh right here. So I want to paste it in here. Now you can see they not working for the animation. So to work in the animation, you only need to go to the mesh, right click, show to skeleton, assign a skeleton is used from the Unreal Engine 5. So they're supposed to be this one. Yeah, mannequins meshes, this one. So when I got that, then I get new bones and everything like that. I say okay. You want to take a little bit. So go inside. Now it's here. So now we can put the animation. I think it's this one. Yes, it is working perfectly fine. So let's put all the pieces together. So they want to be the face. So I want to put and say be attached to the mesh. So I also want to be the torso, feet, and leg. So I put this to the mesh too, and we can delete this one because it's already one already, and also the root. So now they have a little weird guy here, so we need to fix this. So go to the feet, legs, torso, and face. You put this also with it to 0 because they want to be attached to this parent. So now we need to do the same for the skeleton and these guys. So go to feet, right click, no, not right click, press feet, go here, find the skeleton, right click, skeleton, assign a skeleton, Unreal Engine 5, say set, go again, go to leg, do the same thing, find this guy, right click, skeleton, assign, Unreal Engine 5, say set, so go to torso, do the same, find torso, right click, skeleton, assign, Unreal Engine 5, the last one, the face, looking for the face, right here, right click, skeleton, assign skeleton. They want to have a few more things. They're going to say set. So that's it. Oh, sorry. Need to choose the skeleton, is a set. Now they're going to be all the facial, everything. They say okay. So that's it. You can say everything because it's already done. Take a little bit. Okay, so now it's here. So to make this working fine, because they have animation here already, so they need to change this to a little bit here. And then the construction script right here, I want to delete this because they don't really like to use this stuff. So from here, I only want to use this one. So from here, I want to call master post component, whatever, this one is okay. I'm gonna use face, for example. Put the face in here, put the feet too. I also want to use the leg, also the torso, the face, I think everything, that's it, yes. So the master, they're gonna be the mesh. So it's gonna be like that, like that. So now we can connect this to these ones, compile and save, and they support to work perfectly fine all the animation like that. So that's it. That is supposed to work to the animation. So go to third person here in the map. Sorry again. So go to world settings. Change override this one, so need to change the default font to running, or the name of your player is. So press play, and now they support to working. So now we can see they had a few bugs here in the legs. So this is here where all the tutorial have the same mistake. So let's fix that. So in the other tutorials, they're gonna go to the animation blueprint. So gonna be here, look animation, money. So in here, animate graph, control rig, In here they go all the way down, it change pelvis to animation root. This is not the right way to do it, but they do it this way. So you compile and save, and that's supposed to working. Yes, but no. So they're gonna working perfectly, but not the IQ. So if I use the animation, they're working fine. But if I want to use the IQ, they don't do it nothing at all. Why? Because it's not set up correctly. So let's set this correctly like they're supposed to do. So close this. So go again to money. Let's do it the right way now. So in here, change this again to pelvis. So use pelvis because that's right. So compile and save. So now we need to go to the skeleton, to the Unreal Engine 5. So go to skeleton. We can close this now. So in here, we need to go to root, right click, you want to add virtual bone. I want to create a root bone. So root, and in here, right click again, they want to add new, add virtual bone. I want to use the food right. So I press again, root again, right click, add virtual bone, food left this time, like that. That's it. That's only that you have to do. So you need to save this, close again, go to money. For whatever reason, sometimes they give me a bug here. So to fix that, go to rigging, and here press root, right click. So you need to refresh this. So refresh, use this mesh. So remember the mesh is only the hands for whatever reason. I don't remember that one. And median body. So I'm gonna place this. They want to take a few seconds. Sorry again. So I'm gonna take a few more seconds, I hope. So that's it. So now you can save this. So we need to change all the food stuff for the new food virtual bone. So IQ left, so and enter here, press VV, using for the left, this one for the right, so VV right. So now this is working. So let's go down out here, do the same, VV left, go in here, do the same, VV R. So go up, I think this is okay, yes. So in here, let's do the same, VV left, and here VV right, so like that. So compile and save it, that's it. So now you can go play. Now they're supposed to work perfectly 100% fine. So now the IQ is working 100% again. So that's it. I don't know why the tutorial then don't finish their job. So there's broken tutorials, I don't know why. So that's why I'm making videos for the people. They ask me things so I can help everybody. So because we need to create more games. So thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. So bye bye.